I will tell you something about geographical location of Karnataka. So where it is situated in our country. So Karnataka lies in western central area of the peninsular region. Once again, the western central area of the peninsular region. So peninsula means a vast land is stretching towards the water. So southern India is known as a peninsular. We used to call peninsula, plateau of peninsula. So it is extended from so Karnataka is extended in our country. uh, I will tell you about the longitude and latitudinal values now. So from the south of Karnataka, so it is it will start from 11 degree 31 inch 11 degree 31 inch north to 18 degree 45 inch north latitude. Why it is called north latitude? Because our country India lies in northern hemisphere. So northern hemisphere, the longitudes and latitudes is considered as north only. If it is southernmost means southern hemisphere, it is going to consider as south. So because right now we are Karnataka and India, it lies in southernmost means in the northern hemisphere. So it is called northern latitudes. We will count as northern latitudes. So once again I will tell you. So our Karnataka extends from 11 degree 31 inch north 11 degree 31 inch north latitude to 18 degree 45 inch north latitude. Okay, what about longitude? So Karnataka is extends means lies between 74 degree 12 inch. Once again, 74 degree 12 inch east to 78 degree 40 inch east longitude. See, once again, it is going to consider as east. Why it is called east? Because our country lies in eastern side of in hemisphere means eastern hemisphere. We lies in eastern hemisphere, like how northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere divides in our globe. So like that, from 0 degree to 180 degree considered as east. From 0 degree to 180 degree minus, it is considered as western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So India lies in eastern hemisphere. So that's why some longitudes are countable as eastern longitudes. Once again, some longitudes are considered as eastern longitudes. Okay students, so this is about longitude and latitudes. So what about the total area of our Karnataka? The length is approximately 750 kilometers. The length from Bidar to Chamarajanagar, it is about 750 kilometers, and width is around 400 kilometers. The width is around 400 kilometers. So this is about the geographical location of our Karnataka, the value of longitudinal and the value of latitudinal, and the total area kilometers from